Hello children, welcome to the science class. We are doing chapter number 5, acid, base and salt. And in this, we have discussed the properties and uses and types of acids and bases. Today, we are going to start with a new topic, that is salts. Salts are actually formed when an acid reacts with a base. When acid reacts with a base, salt and water are the two products. So, as salts are a group of chemicals formed when acids react with bases. That is, reaction between acid and base forms salt and water. This reaction is called the neutralization reaction. So, acid plus base gives salt plus water. We can take one example for this neutralization reaction. Hydrochloric acid, this is hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide gives salt, that is sodium chloride and water. Okay, so this is a neutralization reaction. Hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium chloride to produce sodium chloride. Hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to produce sodium chloride and water. Different acids react with different bases to form different salts. Now we have a notion that salts are always neutral, but it is not so. We have studied about the pH scale. Right? So, depending on the pH scale, acids and bases are strong and weak, and depending on that pH scale, salts also can be classified as three types: acidic salts, basic salts and neutral salts. Now, this depends on which acid and which base is taking part in the formation of that particular salt. So, let us see. When strong acid reacts with a weak base, the nature of the salt will be acidic. For example, if we take nitric acid, which is a strong acid, when it reacts with ammonium hydroxide, which is a weak base, it forms ammonium nitrate. And the nature of ammonium nitrate salt is acidic. So, its pH will be less than 7. Then second category is basic salt, where I have written pH greater than 7. In this case, weak acid reacts with strong base to form basic salt. Weak acid like carbonic acid can react with strong base like sodium hydroxide to form basic salt like baking soda or washing soda. Then the third category is a neutral salt, in which both acid and base should be strong. Strong acid plus strong base gives neutral salt. Example of neutral salt I have written as sodium chloride. Here in this case, hydrochloric acid is also strong acid. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base. So the salt which is formed, NaCl, sodium chloride, has pH 7, that is neutral. So, salts are chemicals which are formed when acid react with base, and salts can be of three types: acidic, basic and neutral salts. I hope this video will help you to understand the types of salts. Thank you.